Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So me and Paris, like Princess Paris, we are back with a taste test review of pumpkin spice cereals. So I would like to introduce to you guys, you want to say hi, Paris?
Hi.
I want to share with you guys, this is the one that we're going to be trying, the Cheerios pumpkin spice, and Paris has the other one.
Pumpkin spice.
So it's the Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice. Comment below and let us know if you guys have tried these cereals already. But we are excited to try these. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, so first we decided to try the Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice. So we can get our bowls. It's my bowl. Paris's bowl. We're so excited. I wonder if it smells like pumpkin spice too. Are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? It's tomorrow already, you guys. I cannot believe it. Me and my mom are gonna be finishing up all of our Thanksgiving cooking tonight. We already got started on a turkey and greens last night. And I'm gonna finish up the rest today. Oh, this is kind of hard to open up. Oh, that's in the bag. Okay guys, we can't get it open. Oh wait, I think I busted a little hole right here. Yeah, you can. We can't open it. We need the scissors. Okay, guys, we're back. We had the scissors. Now we got it open. Let's smell.
It smells good.
It smells like pumpkin spice, guys. Oh, I'm excited. Go, Paris. You want to pour first? Excited! Okay, you don't want to get too much because we gotta try the other one. Okay. I'm just getting a little taste because. All right, guys, this is the one that we're trying. Right here, I'll put it right here. Oh no, you guys can't. Oh, you can't see it anyways. Okay. We have more milk than that. We just want to finish up this one right here. Paris doesn't like a lot of milk.
Yeah.
I like a lot of milk in my cereal. I gotta have milk go up to the top of the cereal. That's the way I like my cereal. Okay, so first test. You ready, Paris? This is the first test of the Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice, guys. All right, let's do it. It was good. Yes. What's it taste, Paris?
It tastes like pumpkin spice.
It tastes like a pumpkin pie. It tastes just like a pumpkin pie, guys. Just like a pumpkin pie. I really, really like it. When you love cereal, I love cereal, y'all, since I was a little kid.
I love cereal. And
I'm hungry. Oh, Lord. Y'all know when I like something because I always start dancing a little bit. So good. Alright. We're gonna have to cut and come back so we can finish this a little bit, and we'll be back with the review of the pumpkin spice Cheerios. Okay guys, so we are back with the pumpkin spice Cheerios. We are excited to open this one up. Yes! I cannot wait. I love cereal, y'all. Oh, this one opened right on up. We didn't need no scissors for this one, y'all. Let me smell. This one don't smell like pumpkin spice. It don't smell like pumpkin. It smell like.
It smells like.
It smells like
nothing.
wood. It smells like wood. Okay, I'm about to pour mine. Just a little taste.
It smells like.
Okay. There you go, Karen. Y'all want to see what they look like? I didn't even show y'all what the frosted flakes pumpkin spice look like.
Yeah, it smells like nothing.
Yeah, it doesn't smell.
This.
The frosted flake pumpkin spice smell like pumpkin spice. Bomb. Okay.
Okay.
For a little bit of milk. Well, not a little bit, but Paris pours a little bit. But I just pour. I have to pour mine up. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So these pumpkin spice cereals are limited edition. So they're for the holiday, y'all. So y'all better go to Walmart. That's where I got them. Okay, we ready? You ready for our first?
Yeah.
Cheers to Thanksgiving. Okay, let's do it.
It kind of tastes like pumpkin spice.
I mean, it's not nasty. It's good, but it's not. It don't have a strong pumpkin spice flavor like the Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice. This one tastes more like oats. I guess that's why it says whole grain oats. Yeah, so this more oatsy. If that's a word, oatsy. But it's good. I love Cheerios. I've always loved Cheerios. I love Honey Nut Cheerios, regular Cheerios. I just love cereal, period, y'all. It's very rare that I'm not gonna like a cereal. It gotta be real nasty for me not to like them. Okay.
I like that. Good. But it doesn't taste like pie.
You gotta tell them. What you think?
It doesn't taste like pumpkin spice.
Okay, Paris said don't taste like pumpkin spicy.
Like the other one.
Yeah, like the Frosted Flake one. Okay. Well, I'm done. And I just want to give my review on the pumpkin spice. It's good, you guys, but it doesn't have enough. Oh, you didn't see it. It doesn't have enough pumpkin spice flavor, but it's good. So if you're looking for a cereal that tastes like pumpkin spice, this is not the one that's strong like pumpkin spice. It still tastes a lot like Cheerios, like plain Cheerios. Excuse me, it's on my eye. This one tastes more like plain Cheerios with like barely a little sprinkle of pumpkin spice, but it's still good. So if you like Cheerios, you'll still like this. If you don't like cereals that are heavy in flavor or sugars and stuff, this will taste good to you. You would like this. I'm gonna eat this box though. This is good. I'm not gonna let this sit up. I'm not saying that it's nasty at all. It is good, but it just doesn't have that full bloom flavor of the pumpkin spice. And what I want to say about this Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice, y'all. Let y'all see it again.
It's so the bomb.
This one is bomb. This one has full pumpkin spice flavor. It is delicious. It's crunchy. It is great. Just like Tony the Tiger on here usually says. I know you guys know that if you've been eating cereal and if you grew up in I'm just telling my age, right? But yes, this cereal is great. It's delicious. It has full pumpkin spice flavor. So out of these two, I would give this one a 10. And I didn't rate this one, but I'll give my rating of this one, I'll say a 5. Maybe a 6. Okay. Now, Paris, it's your turn. go ahead and rate the cereals. Which one you want to do first?
10
Huh?
for Frosted Flakes and 7 for Cheerios.
All right. And why do you give this one a 7?
Because it doesn't matter if it tastes that much. Pumpkin spice, at least
It still tastes good. Yeah, that's why I wanted to let them know too. And why did you give this one? You gave this one a 10? Yeah, why did you give this?
So good.
It tastes so great. Yep. So that wraps up our cereals that are pumpkin spice flavor review. We hope that you liked our review of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes pumpkin spice and Cheerios pumpkin spice. And we will see you guys in another cereal review. God bless.